Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Forgot your password for the Santander mobile app? No worries. In this quick and easy 2025 guide, I'll walk you through how to reset it and regain access to your account. Let's get started. Step 1, open the Santander app. On the login screen, tap Forgot Your Password right under the password field. Step 2, enter your identification info. You'll be asked for personal details like your DNI, NIE, passport number, date of birth, or your customer ID. Fill these in accurately and tap Next. Step 3, verify your identity. Santander will send you a security code via SMS or email to confirm it's you. Enter the code to continue. Step 4, set a new password. Now you can create a new secure password. Make sure it meets Santander's security requirements, usually a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and at least 8 characters. Step 5, log in. Return to the login screen and use your new password to access your account. Tip: try to choose a password you'll remember, but avoid using common words or personal dates, and consider enabling biometric login for quicker access in the future. And that's it. Your Santander password is reset and you're back in control. If this guide helped, please like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.